Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Pathshala. A question is taken from IIT Main 2024, which was held on 27th January, Shift 2. Question is related to quadratic equation. Here a quadratic equation is given, whereas alpha beta are the root of this equation. First of all, check the value of discriminant, which is minus b square minus 4 into AC. You will check here 1 square minus 1 square minus 4 into minus of 1 into 1. It is 1 minus minus plus 4, this is 5, means greater than 0. So roots are real. If roots are complex number in this type of problem, you can use the Weber theorem, but roots are real, so we cannot use the Weber theorem in this question. Now alpha beta given and a relationship is given Sn equal to 2023 into alpha power n plus 2024 into beta power n. A relationship is given and you have to verify these four relationships, which relationship is correct. If you see the options, you will see here A and D are same type of option and B and C and same type of option. Why I am saying this statement? Because if in this relationship n equal to, if you are putting 11, then this is n minus 1 and this is n plus 1. Same in this type of question, n equal to 11, then this is n minus 1 and this is n plus 1. So difference is of 1. B and C, if we are putting the value of n equal to if 12, then this is n minus 2 and this is n minus 1, means difference is given 2. So just we have to verify two type relationship. First, Sn plus S of n minus 1. If we use the given equation, given relation, we will write here Sn equal to 2023 into alpha power n plus 2024 into beta power n plus, this is value of Sn. Now we are writing the value of Sn minus 1. This will be 2023 into alpha power n minus 1 plus 2024 into beta power n minus 1. Using the given relationship, we can write this. Now next step, we will take here alpha and here is alpha, beta and here is also beta. So just taking common, then we get 2023 will be common factor, alpha power n minus 1 will be a common factor. Here you will get alpha and from here you will get 1, so alpha plus 1. Same process for beta, 2024 beta to the power n minus 1 will be common factor. So here you will get beta, here you will get 1. Simply rearrange this equation and taking factors. Now alpha plus 1 and beta plus 1. The given quadratic equation was x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0, whereas alpha and beta are the roots. So we can write here alpha square minus alpha minus 1 equal to 0. So alpha square equal to alpha plus 1. Same we can write here beta square minus beta minus 1 equal to 0. So beta square equal to beta plus 1. Now just put these values in this equation. You will get here from this equation 2023 alpha n minus 1 into, this is alpha square, same 2024 beta n minus 1 into beta square. Here you can see 2023 alpha n minus 1 plus into alpha square means n minus 1 plus 2, it means alpha power n plus 1. Here 2024 into beta n plus 1. If you use the given relationship, you can write this as Sn plus 1. So we started n plus Sn minus 1. Oh, this is your option, given option. One option is here, Sn plus 1 equal to Sn plus Sn minus 1, means we are putting here n equal to 11, then this will written as s of 12 equal to s of 11 plus s of 10. This is your option D will be correct. Same process you can check out for option B and C also. So your correct answer is D. Thank you.